guys! Today I will do a tag video, and this one is a crazy about lipstick tag, and I was tagged by Miss Iram Halili and Miss Ruby Roxanne. So, hi girl! Thank you for tagging me, and I will link their channel down below. So, pinicturean ko lang yung questions, and this one is a very fast video. Let's start.
How many lipsticks do you have in your collection?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13! 13, not counting yung binigay ko sa mother ko. Without counting yung lipstick palette, lip pencils, lip glosses. Hindi yun kasali. Yung mga stick lang yung binilang ko.
How old were you when you started wearing lipstick?
I think first year college.
What is a lipstick that you can't live without?
The lipstick that I can't live without is this one. Although hindi ko pa natatry yung iba kong lipstick, but this one is the lipstick that I can't live without. And I am wearing it right now. This one is the Avon UM204 in Pretty. Red lipstick siya. Bakit? Kasi I can wear this lipstick on my lips. Ginagawa ko din siyang blush. Kung ayaw ko na medyo harsh yung color niya, tap, tap lang. Tap, tap, dab, 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 whatever.
Show a lipstick that you use to stand out.
OMG. Kasi ako yung hindi ko pa talaga lahat ginagamit. But I think, eto na lang ulit. Eto na lang kasi ito talaga yung gamay na gamay kong lipstick. Actually, I don't want to stand out. Gusto ko lang yung natural. Ngayon lang ako talaga nagpula. I don't really put lipstick to stand out. Try natin next time.
What was the last lipstick you bought?
Nung tinignan ko, sabi ko, ay, konti lang pala dito yung binili ko. Kasi most of this, napanalunan ko sa giveaway. Yung iba bigay. Ito yung pinaka-last na lipstick na binili ko. The Rimmel London in 77 Asia. So, yeah, ito siya. Swatch ko na din. Natural, lang siya talaga. Yan. Ginagamit ko to, pag pupunta akong palengke, ganun. Kasi medyo natural lang siya talaga. Smells like chocolate. Yun. What lipstick did you regret buying? Ito yung hindi ko sinama sa count nun sa 13. Kasi binigay ko na siya sa mom ko and hiniram ko lang ulit kasi I really regret buying this too. Pero ayoko lang kasi na, finish niya. Namumuo-muo kasi siya from Melt Joy. Binili ko to sa Oma noon nung nandun ako. So, ito hindi ko pa ginagamit. Dito pa lang kasi nag-regret na ako, so why will I use this pa, diba? So, what is your favorite lipstick at the moment? Tatlo. Kasi ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. This one, yung Rimmel London in Asia. Kate Moss in 101. And yung Avon na UM204 in Pretty.
What is your most expensive and inexpensive lipstick?
The most expensive, I think, hindi po ako yung bumili nito, is this MAC lipstick in Brave Red. Yan. Sobrang red siya talaga. Tingnan mo, kumikintab pa yung dulo. Halatang hindi ko pa siya ini-swatch. And the most inexpensive is this Idol lipstick. Yan na lang ang natira. Ginagamit ko siya noon, but binigay ko na lang siya sa mama ko.
Do you like, love, or addicted to lipstick?
Yes, sobra. Kung magko-collect man ako, ang gusto kong i-collect is yung mga lipsticks.
Last question. What is the lipstick that reminds you of someone special?
I think I will choose the MAC lipstick. This one. Galing po ito sa mama ni Mon. If hindi niyo po kilala si Mon po yung aking partner. First time namin magkita ng mama niya, and yun, binigyan niya ako ng MAC lipstick, and sobrang memorable to kasi mama yun ng partner ko. So, naaalala ko din yung partner ko when I see this one. That's all! And thank you so much sa mga nagtag sa akin. And if hindi ko nabanggit yung name nyo, if tinag nyo ako, sorry! And thank you pa din kasi tinag nyo ako. If hindi nyo po nagagawa tong video na to, I'm tagging you to do this crazy lipstick tag. Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman na 13 pala yung lipstick ko kasi ngayon ko lang sila binilang. Nasaya. And meron na siyang question kaya madali na lang yung gagawin yung video. I hope to see you guys on my next video.